learning 10 algorithms in 10 minutes. Today I'll be attempting some more cubing challenges going from hard to insanely difficult. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I will leave a link to it in the description below. You guys can check it out after finishing this video. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the challenges. Alright, so in last week's video, the first challenge was to solve a Rubik's Cube into a checkerboard pattern, and I did that in a time of around 30 seconds. How do I get a Z-perm? Oh, there we go, Z-perm. Now I just do that, and there we go, 29 seconds. This week, I wanted to do something similar to the checkerboard challenge, but obviously, I didn't want to do the exact same thing twice in a row. So today, I decided, how about we do the exact same challenge, but this time, we try and solve it into a super flip pattern. So for those of you who don't know what a super flip is, basically all of the edges are solved but flipped in the right spot. Now since this challenge will be slightly easier, let's set the goal at 20 seconds instead of 30 seconds. So let's scrum this cube up and get started. And I'm going to do white cross so you guys can follow along. And wow, we already have one edge solved. Then we have this edge, and this edge. So let's get started. Okay. The orange edge like that. Now to solve the F-top pairs, I just pretend that so in this case I just pretend it's a flipped edge F-top pair. So I just pretend the edge is flipped. And then this case, just want to solve the corners like that. J-perm. Solve this. I don't need that solved. This one solved. 23.77, not bad, but still not sub 20. So let's try again. Oh wow. Oh, this is a great scramble. Oh dude. Okay, this is gonna be it. Sub 20 right now. This is a great scramble. First F-top pair done. Second F-top pair done. Third F-top pair done. Fourth F-top pair done. Okay, it's just soon. J-perm. Y-perm. There we go. 18.20. Oh, pretty good time. Pretty happy with that. Let's move on to the next challenge. This is a gear cube. It's not a WCA puzzle. It kind of looks like a 3x3 if you focus on the stickers, but once you turn it, you'll notice, okay, this is definitely not your average puzzle. So basically how a gear cube works is that when you move it like this, all of these gears in the middle, they will start turning, and also you can't do R moves, you have to do R2. There's no such thing as an R move, because if you do an R move, this center layer isn't fully turned and you can't do a U. So the only moves that you can do are R2, but then all these gears in the middle, that's going to be the hard part for me to solve. So I have no idea how to solve this, so I'm just going to learn how to solve this real quick using a tutorial online. Alright, so it's been a couple of minutes. I've used this tutorial by Z2Cubing, and now I know how to solve this gear cube. So let's see how fast I can solve this gear cube. Okay, so I'll just walk you guys through what I'm doing while I'm doing it. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to do the corners first. Okay, so you can see all of these corners are solved. Orange, 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 orange. And then all the centers are solved. Okay, how do I do this? Like that. Okay, and then hold this on the top. So I'm just doing a really short algorithm. I'll put the algorithm on screen right now. And then we have this last edge. I'm just going to solve this last edge. Okay, and there we go. All of the pieces are solved. Now this doesn't look solved, but it is actually solved. You can see blue, purple, blue, purple. It's all I have to do is to make it flat. So okay, there we go. That's solved. And then to solve this, all I do is just do R until it solves itself like that. And there we go. 38 seconds. I think my goal for this is going to be get it into sub 20 seconds. So I'm just gonna practice for like the next 5 minutes. Oh, wow, there we go, 14 seconds. That's actually quite a bit easier than I expected. So maybe let's go for a sub 10 single. I think that would be fair. Alright, so new goal, sub 10 single. Oh, this is a good scramble. So hopefully I'll be able to get a sub 10 single. If I can get a sub 10 single, then that will be the challenge completed. A sub 10 single is what I'm going for right now. So it will take a while, and I will have to get pretty lucky in order to get it, but hopefully I'll be able to get it in a couple of minutes. Oh, there we go, 8.32. That's a sub 10 single right there on a gear cube. Let's move on to the next challenge. Alright, time to do an unboxing of the TMS Pyramings, but how fast can I do this unboxing? Let's find out. Alright, hey everyone, it's Cuberzz, and today I'll be taking a look at this TMS Pyramings that I recently got from Superflip Shop. Thank you to Superflip Shop for sending this to me for free, and if you want to get it please make sure to use the discount code MCuberzz to get 5% off. Inside the box we have an instructions pamphlet which I can't really get to, and then we have the cube. So let's do some first turns. So this feels pretty nice. The magnets are actually kind of strong, which is good for me because I use the Bell V1 Permings. The tips are a bit weird, as you can hear from this noise right here, but hopefully that will fix after a little bit of break-in. So yeah, overall first impressions, I'm actually really impressed with this puzzle. Corner cutting is pretty good as well. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, 37 seconds, not too shabby if you ask me. Oh my crap. Oh god, what on earth was that challenge? That was super silly. Alright, so that's 3 out of 5 challenges done so far, and before we get into the last 2 challenges, I just want to announce that I now have channel memberships open, which is basically the join button next to my channel subscribe button, so you can get a bunch of really awesome rewards like channel arts, you can get soft critiques, you can get shoutouts in my videos, and a bunch of other cool stuff as well. I tried to make the prices pretty affordable, and it starts out at 2 Singaporean dollars a month, which is a reasonable price in my opinion. Now I know a lot of my audience is from India, and if you live in India, you're in luck, because for some reason, because of some YouTube conversion rates in India, it only costs 60 rupees, which is the equivalent of less than $1 US. So if you're from India, it's actually way cheaper than everyone else. To see the pricing in your own region, just click the join button and look at the pricing options, or you can go to youtube.com/mcuberzz/join for more information. I don't want people to have to pay to watch my videos, so the channel membership perks are not like exclusive videos or anything. It's more of like the channel arts, exclusive Discord roles, shoutouts and stuff like that. So if you guys don't want to become a member, I totally understand that. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys watching these videos and using discount code MCuberzz at speedruns.com. This is a 2x2, and I am really bad at 2x2. For reference, I averaged like 9 seconds on 2x3, and I averaged like 5 seconds on 2x2, so I am pretty bad at 2x2. But in my last video, I learned 4 CLL algorithms in just 10 minutes. And today, I wanted to test myself and see how many algorithms I can learn in 10 minutes. So the challenge for today is, can I learn 10 CLL algorithms in 10 minutes? Yep, that's right, 1 algorithm per minute. Do you think I can do it? Well, let's find out. By the way, if you don't know, CLL is basically when you look at this case and from here, you solve OLL and PLL at the same time using 1 algorithm. Alright, so I'm going to be using this website to learn the algorithm. It's called SpeedCubeDB, and in order for me to learn 10 cases in total, I'm going to learn both the L set and the H set. So 6 plus 4 equals to 10 algorithms. So this is the H set. It's a bit weird, but it's basically the one where there are 2 stickers here, 2 stickers at the back. That's the H set. And then the L set is this OLL. And then I'll be learning all of the CLL algorithms for these cases. Alright, so anyways, let's get started learning the H and the L cases. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so that's it, time's up, 9:59. So now I'm gonna test myself to prove that I have learned these algorithms. Alright, so in order to test myself and show you guys that I've learned this algorithm, I'm gonna use this feature right here called practice, and then once I click practice, it'll bring me to this page. I'm gonna click select specific cases, and then I've only learned the H and the L cases. As you can see, there are 4 cases, 6 cases, so 10 cases in total. I'm going to click hide state so that I won't be able to cheat. And then you see this reset button. All I'm going to do is going to click this reset button, and then I can apply this grammar to my Rubik's Cube like so, and then apply like that. And then as you can see, it's given me 1 of the cases which I have learned, and now all I have to do is to apply this grammar to my Rubik's Cube like so, and then I can do the algorithm. And then once I'm done, I click and then I'll record the time. And I'm just going to do this a bunch of times to show you guys that I have learned these algorithms. Alright, so I think that just about wraps it up. As you can see, I've done all 10 of these algorithms. So just like that, let's move on to the next challenge. Alright, so in my last video, I solved this Rubik's brand without finger tricks using the layer by layer method with ice cold hands in under 1 minute. Cue the clip. Let's go. Let's go, 54.88 seconds. So we're back again with Rubik's Grand with my layer by layer skills without finger tricks, and here we have some more ice. Now instead of one big box for me to put both of my hands into, I now have one container for each of my hands. Alright, so you guys know the drill. Let's just scramble up this Rubik's Grand. My goal, sub 50. So in last week's video, I managed to get sub 1 with a 54-second solve. This week, I'm aiming for sub 50. Once again, I'm gonna have to put these rubber bands around my finger, and for those of you who don't know, these rubber bands is so that I can't do finger tricks. So I can't really do a U move like that. It's really hard, so I'll have to rotate like this. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna be turning like this while using the layer by layer method with ice cold hands. So I'm just gonna leave my hands in here for about 30 seconds. Alright, so been about 30 seconds. Let's just move this out of the way and start our inspection now. Oh wow, white cross is pretty good. I'm gonna do white cross so you guys can follow along. Oh my god, my hands are freezing. Alright, let's get started. Oh my Christ, there's water everywhere. Oh no, I'm ruining my speed cube shot, man. That's sad. Okay, layer by layer method, which means I can't use F2L or anything. I just have to use corners and then edges. As you can see, I'm solving my corners now. Alright, so that's the first layer done. Let's do the second layer. Alright, got this one. Alright, I'm on to my second edge. And then my last edge. I think I got to skip on one of them actually. Okay, and then OLL, I have to use 2-look OLL because I am supposed to be using the beginner's method. This is a great solve. I'm gonna be able to get this first try. T-perm, I'm gonna still use 2-look PLL. Oh, I might not actually make it. Oh god. Time is running out. Oh no, a Z-perm. Can I get this in time? Can I get this in time? Oh no. 51 seconds, new PB, but I was so close that time, and I actually ended up kind of wetting my speed cube shot mat. As you can see, there's water everywhere, so I think I'm just gonna remove the mat and just do it from here. Okay, so my fingers are actually getting kind of numb at the moment. This is definitely a do not try this at home moment. Alright, so I think that's about 30 seconds done. Let's just scramble this cube a little bit more. Just scramble it. Okay, let's get started. Oh wow, this is a great scramble. Okay, and there we go. Let's get started. Are you kidding me? What is this? There's the light here, but the timer isn't moving at all. What on earth is happening? Oh, well, that's unfortunate. Okay, I figured out why it's not working, because I think it's sensing that the water is there, and that's why. So I'm just gonna try and get it slightly drier. Oh, come on, timer. Please start. Please start. Come on, start. Start. Come on, timer. Oh, for God's sake. Okay, long story short, this timer does not perform well when it is wet, so instead I'm gonna swap it out for this phone timer and dip my hands into the ice, hopefully for the last time. Alright, inspection starts now. Okay, this is a great scramble. Come on, please timer start. Oh, timer started. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is it. Come on, guys. For all the marbles, one last solve. I can do this. First layer, not ideal. There were a few cases that weren't really the best. Oh, I see a flipped edge F-door case. That's not good. Okay, then we have this edge. This edge. Okay, now all we have is this flipped edge F-door case. Okay, come on, solve it quick. Okay, good. A cross OLL. That's nice. This isn't the best cross OLL, but it'll do. Come on. 20 seconds left. Can I do this? T-pump, T-pump. Come on, T-pump. U-pump. I can do this. Oh, can I get it there in time? Oh, there you go. 41 seconds. That's way better than I expected, actually. The goal was sub 50, and we got a 41 seconds off. That beats my PB by like a whole 10 seconds. So, yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this final challenge. Oh man, the timer really screwed me over there. It made me have to dip my hands into the ice like 5 times more than I had to. I kept starting the timer and nothing happened, and that was really annoying, but oh well, I guess that's what happens when you wet your timer too much. Alright, so I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Do leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you're new here, please do consider subscribing. We're closing in on 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget the channel memberships are out now if you guys want to become a member, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.